Hi, my name is Gigi, and this is Fluffercorn, and today we are going to be making strawberry chocolate chip cookies. And before we get started, click the subscribe button and give us a huge thumbs up. And before you cook, make sure your mommy and daddy are there. So this is the strawberry mix, the vanilla and vegetable oil and some chocolate chips and 2 eggs. Crackety crack crack. Step 1, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 and wash our hands. Let's get started. So I'm going to put in the powder. Powder time. I hope I don't drop it like I did on the other one. I'm not dropping so much like I did on the other powder one. It was a little bit harder though. Whoa, it smells just like strawberries in here now. Now let's put it. So I'm going to have to put it over because it's very small. Ooh, I knew I would spill. So we're going to put half a cup of vegetable oil and okay, I put it half a cup. Now spill it in there. And then I'm going to have to crack 2 eggs. Okay, so this is the tricky part because I don't want it getting on my hands. Oh, that was easy. Okay, I'll put it right there somewhere. Then the other egg. Ooh, that was a hard one. Now, put them in here. And then now I'm going to mix some paper towel, please, to wipe off that egg yolk. Oops, I accidentally grabbed a lot from there. It's fine though. Really have to mix in the powder. Oopsie. I washed my hands already, so that's fine. It smells like strawberries already. Really have to crush these egg yolks. Ooh, yeah. So now we're going to be folding after I put the chocolate chips in. Put it in. Okay, that's enough, right? Okay. So, like I do with my dog's food. So I'm going to fold and fold. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, some cookie dough. But my dad said I can't lick the bowl of this one. Remember, I licked the bowl of the other one. Yeah. That's what happened. So I have to wipe off my face. Actually, almost wash my face. Whatever. So, yeah. Put it off. I really have to fold it in there. So, like, this is how you fold it. That's how you fold it. That's what I'm talking about, fold. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's a fold. I want a new baking pan. Okay, so now I'm going to be scooping it since I had trouble. I'm going to be needing some help with another spoon. Get off there, and there we go. I think that's a little too much now. Put this much on the second batch since I thought it was a little too much. Ooh, get off there. Get off. Now. Okay, I think I left a little bit on there. Ew. We have frosting on our roll. These are our cookies. We're going to bake them for 8 minutes. And do they look good? Huh? Do they look good? Put them in the oven for 8 minutes. I'm going to put it in like always. When I'm doing a video, I always put it in. But when my mom and dad are baking with no video, they don't let me put it in. I'm scared of getting there, so I'm just going to like slide it in there. With one finger. Very hot. They smell super good. I'm going to smell them. Oh my gosh, they smell like strawberries and chocolate. That is going to take them out of the oven. Ooh, they smell so good. And they're so big. We're going to let them sit for 5 minutes. So these are the cookies. Do they look good? Yeah, I think so myself. And I like to drink milk with cookies. Remember the brownie one? Oh, it was so good. I think I want to try a bite of one of them. I'm going to try a bite. These are amazing. I can't believe I made them myself. Look, and it's orange on the bottom. They are 2 thumbs up for sure. Thank you for watching our video. It's just like super good. Handshake. This is tuna. We got that in the bag. We got it in the bag.